Avoiding sentence fragments when integrating quotations. Sentence fragments are incomplete sentences that are missing either a subject, a verb, or a complete idea. For example, which made everyone in the library turn around. Is this a sentence fragment? Well, does it have a subject? No, seems to be missing one. Does it have a verb? Made could be the verb. Is there a sense of a complete idea? There isn't. So this is a sentence fragment. Now how do we fix it? Well, here's one solution. He burped loudly, which made everyone in the library turn around. He becomes our subject, and burped becomes our verb, and there is the sense of a complete idea. Now we know why everyone in the library turned around. Another solution. This made everyone in the library turn around. This becomes our subject, made is our verb, and although we don't know what this is referring to, this is still technically a complete sentence. This kind of fragment can sometimes, unexpectedly, make an appearance when integrating quotations. Lee's father says, "Wish I'd been along," which shows the father's regret. Now how can we fix that? Well, we can start the second half with the word this. We could also replace the period after the word along with a comma. Here's a second example. Dropping water balloons on the people below. Is there a subject? You could say dropping water balloons is the subject. What's the verb? There isn't one. You might have thought dropping was the verb, but dropping is not actually a verb, it's a gerund. A gerund is a form that is derived from a verb, but functions as a noun, as in the following sentence, "Sitting for too long makes me anxious." Do we have a complete idea? We don't. So dropping water balloons on the people below is a sentence fragment. Now how can we fix it? Here's one solution. The boy on the balcony is dropping water balloons on the people below. The boy becomes the subject, is dropping is the verb, and there is the sense of a complete idea. Another solution? Dropping water balloons on the people below is fun. In this case, dropping water balloons becomes our subject, is our verb, and there is the sense of a complete idea. Consider how this kind of fragment occurs when integrating quotations. Lee's father says, "Wish I'd been along," showing the father's regret. How do we fix it? Well, we could start the second half of the sentence with the word this, as we did before. So we're replacing the word showing with "this shows." We could also do this, replacing the period after the word along with a comma, just as we did before. Here's a third example. After James ate the whole turkey. What's the subject here? It could be James. What about the verb? Ate. But is there the sense of a complete idea? There isn't. What happened after James ate the whole turkey? We're left in suspense. A few solutions. First, after James ate the whole turkey, he fell asleep. The subject is he, and the verb is fell asleep, and there is the sense of a complete idea. Another solution, we ordered takeout after James ate the whole turkey. In this case, the subject becomes we, ordered is the verb, and there is the sense of a complete idea. And here's the same error when integrating a quotation. Lee's father says, "Wish I'd been along," after Lee tells him about how he went to Becker's Slough. Here's one way to solve the problem. Lee's father says, "Wish I'd been along." This happens after Lee tells him about how he went to Becker's Slough. I hope you're seeing a pattern here. We've included the word this halfway through the sentence. And a second solution. We've replaced the period after along with a comma. Hopefully these 3 examples will help you avoid fragments when integrating a quotation.